reasons why you need to try this anti-snoring device. Number one, the soft medical grade material, it makes it comfortable to wear all night with no custom fitting required. Number two, ZQuiet is prescription free, requires no doctor visits or expensive sleep studies. And finally, number three, it's the only snoring solution that attacks the root cause of your snoring, which is the soft tissue falling back in your throat and obstructing your airway. ZQuiet is FDA cleared and it's doctor recommended. It even comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. So if you want to stop snoring and get the best sleep of your life, get ZQuiet.